Hello, my dear friends. Take a look at the corner of your kitchen cabinets. Do you still have those pots with blackened bottoms that you've scrubbed and tried everything on, but they just won't come clean? I'm sharing a small but incredibly useful tip: combining toothpaste and lemon to create a powerful cleaning mixture that can magically turn those dull, discolored pot bottoms shiny and like new. All you need is a tube of toothpaste. Any kind will do, as long as it contains a bit of baking soda. Just squeeze out a small amount about the size of your fingertip. That's enough. If you already have baking soda at home, even better. You can substitute toothpaste with baking soda to make the mixture even more effective. Next, grab a lemon and squeeze out the juice. Have you ever wondered whether cutting a lemon crosswise or lengthwise gives more juice? Many say crosswise is better, but in my experience, cutting it lengthwise makes it easier to squeeze and actually gives more juice. We'll need about 10 milliliters of lemon juice. If your lemon is small, go ahead and use the whole thing. And don't forget, cutting it lengthwise helps the lemon segments hold more juice, so when you squeeze it, you'll get every last drop without it splashing everywhere. Now that we have the lemon juice and toothpaste, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Salt has natural cleaning properties, and when combined with lemon and toothpaste, it creates a mild reaction that helps lift stubborn grime. You'll see the mixture fizz slightly. It's really fun to watch. If you have eggshells at home, don't throw them out. Rinse them clean, let them dry, and then grind them in a blender or crush them finely using a rolling pin or pestle inside a zip bag. Finely crushed eggshells act like a gentle scrubbing powder. They help remove stains without scratching your cookware. Such a budget-friendly and eco-friendly bonus. Lastly, add a few drops of dishwashing liquid to boost its grease-fighting power, and mix everything together. Toothpaste, lemon juice, coarse salt, crushed eggshells, and dish soap. And just like that, you've got yourself a super effective DIY cleaning mixture. Use it to gently scrub the bottom of your pots or pans that have darkened over time. No need to soak, no waiting. Just apply the paste and scrub using a dish sponge. You'll see the difference right away. That dull, blackened bottom will brighten up noticeably in just a few minutes. Best of all, this mixture is non-corrosive and non-toxic, so you can use it regularly with peace of mind. After scrubbing and rinsing with water, your pot or pan will look like it's been reborn. A little joy in the kitchen, but enough to bring that soothing, pleasant feeling and make you fall in love with your kitchen all over again. Don't you agree? If you found this little tip helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Graceful DIY. Every bit of your love and support is the motivation that keeps me sharing more wonderful tips so our kitchens stay cozy, tidy, and filled with love. Wishing you and your family lots of health and laughter in your warm, beloved kitchen.